Let's take a trip across America and see how many of these facts you may know. This episode is on North Carolina. Krispy Kreme Doughnuts was founded in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. North Carolina is the largest producer of sweet potatoes in the nation. Students at Wilson County School petitioned the North Carolina General Assembly for the establishment of the sweet potato as the official state vegetable. Babe Ruth hit his first home run in Fayetteville on March 7, 1914. Grandfather Mountain is home to the nation's highest swinging bridge, 1 mile high. During World War II, approximately 10,000 enemy soldiers were contained within 18 prisoner of war camps throughout the state of North Carolina. North Carolina has the biggest state-maintained highway system in the USA. The highway system in the state presently has 77,400 miles of road. The biggest home in USA, Biltmore Estates, is located in Asheville. It has a chateau with 255 rooms, lots of gardens, and an award-winning winery. Cape Hatteras is the largest lighthouse ever to be moved due to erosion problems. Pepsi was invented and first served in New Bern in 1898. Fontana Dam is the biggest of its kind in eastern USA, and it is 480 feet tall. Known as Fishtown in the early 1700s when Blackbeard frequented the coast, Beauforttown was established as a seaport with the right to collect customs in 1722.